This is the Xenon Low Voltage Under Cabinet Task Light, also known as the Emily. It can be hardwired directly to power or plugged in with the included 6-foot power cord. You can see holes for the mounting screws, along with female and male ends that enable multiple light fixtures to be linked together, using either a direct connector or a flexible connector. The included Xenon light bulb gives off a pleasant warm white glow, and it has a perfectly rated color rendering index, or CRI, of 100. CRI is a measure of how accurately colors are portrayed. This under cabinet light has a rated life of about 10,000 hours. That means the Xenon lamps inside will last several years before requiring replacement. If they do burn out, replacements are easy to order on our website. This light fixture is completely dimmable, and it also includes a high-low off switch. Even if you decide not to install a dimmer, you can experiment with different light levels using the switch. This light fixture is available in a white finish, and there are 3 different sizes you can choose from to fit underneath your cabinets.